I just have one more little thing to add to my little rant from earlier. Oh, sorry. And that is, have y'all noticed just how sweetsy pie all of a sudden Congress is being? Pelosi got up there and was like, oh, yes, we're ready to do whatever it takes, blah, blah, blah. Let me tell you something. That bitch is guilty. I'm just saying. You can see it written all over their faces. I'm sitting here watching the president now give his little speech, and he's got these two women standing behind him. They look guilty as hell. I'm just saying. I can see right through deceit, and we're being deceived. These people know some shit they're not telling us they're either responsible for or partly responsible for. I'm just saying. And they want us to go through our own means to get masks and shit. They should be bending over to kiss our asses right now is what they should be doing. Unfucking believable. Excuse my language, but I think the time is appropriate to say fuck. I don't know, just saying. Hope your ass is ready for this shit. Gonna go fucking off. Off! Mwah! Peace out, bitches.